Hello from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a BMW here, 1 Series on a 2016-2017 plate. Just changing the main dip beam on this one. On the left hand side, which is an air side, one's working. But on the driver's side, which is the right side, and it's the outer bulb, that's not working. You can switch the ignition off, lights off, please. Usually you would get to bulbs from here, around this area. But this one here is for the full beam. But on the inside there is for the main dip beam. Now I'm going to show you how to replace it. So I'm just going to switch lights. And there's already a cover missing in this area here. They're meant to be a cover, but it's missing. But if there is one, you just need to remove the cover first and then remove this bit here. So all you do is twist that to your left, so anti-clockwise. Once you've got that done, I'm going to see if I can get the camera in there. Now on the inside, as you can see, that's the plug for the bulb, and it is a H7 bulb. You twist that to your left, and then you've got the little lugs, one on this side there, one on that side there. When you twist it to your left, there'll be 2 little clips coming out either side. They need to go back in that same position and then twist it to your right. So if I just kind of get my hand squeezed in there for a minute and then twist that to my left. That's it. And then I'll pull the whole thing out. When I pull it out, as you can see now, the bulb, if I zoom in a little bit, now you see the locator right there, so there's a stopper there as well. So that's how the bulb needs to go back in. Just remember that bit. Zoom back out. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb. You will find this in the description, the link for it, where to get it from as well. And they are quite common bulbs for the headlights. I'm going to show you how to replace it. If you just hold the camera right in that position there, so that's so you can see the bulb. Right, all I now do is, I've already turned the steering wheel, so that's what you need to do. Turn the steering wheel to the left. I then hold the back cover and then pull the bulb out. They do get a little bit tight, so be careful when you're doing it. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want the bulb basically breaking in your hand. And then pull the whole thing out. You see how I pull the bulb out, and that's the top little pin there. So what I'm going to now do is get the H7 bulb out. Make sure you put it the right way. So this is how it was. And I'm going to just slot the bulb in. Once I slot it in, right, that's not in yet. Here we go. As you can see now, that's nicely in. So what I now then do is get the bulb inside through the gap. If you're not too sure about it, what you could do is look from the front at the same time while you're fitting it in. So I'm going to try to slot the bulb in there, and like I said to you, the little screw bit, so it has to go in an angle. That's still not in. What I might have to do is not record this bit because I can't really concentrate. Let's just see if that's done. Right, as you can see now, that's both in now. Is also, you've got the clip on this side which is pushed inside, and then clipped on that side as well. I'm just going to check the bulb on the front. Now this bulb is not fitted in properly, so what I'm going to now do is I'm going to try to take the bulb out again and then realign it. So when the bulbs are not fitted in correctly, they may seem that it's in, but if they're not correctly fitted, what will happen is you'll be blinding people that's you're driving behind, and that's not a good thing. So I'm just gonna sort of move the camera out of the way 1 second because my hand can't go in properly. So I'll do the top bit. Nope, that's still not in. I got it now. As you can see now, they're perfectly lined up. So this bit here That's lined up, that's lined up, even the bottom bit is lined up. Now you got to remember this bit here, be careful with it, do not break it, whatever you do. I'm just going to show it to you on the front now as well, through the lens. And as you can see through the lens now, the bulb is nice and straight. So what we'll do now is switch the lights on, make sure they're working. That's it, that one there was already working, and this one here is working as well. To see the alignment of the light, as you can see there as well, so they're nicely lined up. I will check the headlight adjustment in a minute. Alright, that's all you had to do on this particular model. It is a BMW 1 Series on a 66 plate, which is 2016-2017 plate. The bulb you need is a H7 bulb. It will be in the description. Do check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you. And goodbye.